Okay, welcome back, my dear student. Here is the poem The Microbe, and it is the class 8. And in this poem, the poet is Hilaire Belloc, and the Hilaire Belloc telling about a microbe. And microbe, first we know about the what is the mean of the microbe. Uh, A microbe is a tiny organism that be seems only under a microscope. Microscope means a kind of the instrument that we have to use it and see a small worms like a virus, bacteria, paramecium, amoeba, etc. Are the many of the tiny organisms that we cannot see seen them by its our naked eyes. Okay, so it is very tiny, that's clear. But what does the poet think it is? So here is the, you know very well, it is the poem, and we have to use many of the imagination in the poem. So here the poet is a different thought from the scientist. So first you have to read the recite the poem it, and after that know what will be the main theme of the poem. Okay, so let's start the video. The microbe is so very small you cannot make him out at all, but many sanguine people hope to see him through a microscope. His jointed tongue that lies beneath 100 curious rows of teeth, his seven-tipped tails with lots, okay, lovely pink and purple spot. Next, on each of which a pattern stand, composed of 40 separate bands. His eyebrow of a tender screen, all these have never yet been seen. But scientists who ought to know assure us that they must be so. Oh, let us never doubt what nobody is sure about. Okay, so now we have to know what is the main theme of the chapter. So let's know. The microbe is so very small. The microbe is a little or small, tiny a worms that we cannot see seen them by his open eyes. It's so very small. It is, looks like a very small. We cannot see him with our open eyes. Okay, so it is very different, very tiny. You can say that like a atom, and you cannot make him out at all. Okay, you cannot make him out at all. It means when a microorganism, it means when it is a very teeny, so if inject in our body or any places, so we cannot like a puppy and cat, we can uh, out of the room, we can make out of the room the pet animals and others animals, but it is very little. If a man became infected by the virus and bacteria, that he have a lot of the time, and he also it became a cause of the death. So it is very difficult for the person in a sentient time. But here is the poet says next says that, but many sequence people hope. Okay, it means many of the person that have a aim, they fix a target to watch out the tiny microorganisms. Okay, so this type of the person is called sanguine. Okay, they call sanguine means optimistic. Okay, that never leave his hope. Okay, that kind of the person called sanguine. And many sanguine people hope, it means they think about to see the microscope microorganism. Okay, they make a dream to see the microorganism. So they make a to see the microorganism, they make a microscope. Who made a microscope? Made by the sanguine people, it means optimistic peoples. Okay, and we can say that that kind of the person will be a scientist. Okay, so he's jointed when they watch out the microorganism through the microscope. Then what will happen? They saw that the little, it means tiny microbe will have a jointed tongue. Okay, they have a jointed tongue, and its tongue will lies beneath means down. Okay, his tongue is beneath down. It is the imagination of the portrays 100 curious row of teeth, and they have 100 curious. Why the curious word used here? Because the they use, it means little tiny organisms, uh, little tiny microorganisms use their teeth to inject in the body of any person, any animals, any kind of the birds. Okay, so use the their teeth and inject in the body. So the teeth word is a curious. Okay, curious teeth. And how many teeth? They have 100 teeth. Okay, they have 100 teeth. What kind of the teeth? Curious teeth. Okay, they have 100 type of the curious teeth. That was the wanted to inject the any person of the body or animal's body. So it so the poet used the curious word. Okay, and his seven tufted tail with lords. And next the poet mentioned about the his tails. Okay, his tails is looks like a, you can see in the word meaning, tails that looks like a beneath. Okay, tails that looks like a bunch of grass. Okay, it is the bunch of grass, and here ties together at one end. Okay, you can see in the pictures, you have to see here. Here is the image of the microbe, the imagination of the poet that looks like a microbe, you can see here. And here the microbe has a here, and that here you can see here, it is the tail. And how many tails you can see here? You can see here seven tail, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tail, and every tail have a here you can see here. And these hairs jointing to each other, it means combined to each other. So in the poem says that his seven tufted tail with lots, it means lots of the hair in his tails, that was the combined to each other, or uh, joined to each other, of lovely pink and purple spots. And on the body of the organized, you can see here is the some of the pink, 1 minute, take see here some of the spotted parts are on his body. It is the microorganism, and you can see here is the some of the uh, parts, you can see here 1 2 3 some of the spotted parts. So this is the part. So in the poem say that his seven tufted tails with the lots of lovely pink and purple spots. Okay, lovely pink and purple spots, you can see here in the pictures. They have a pink and purple spot on his body. It means microorganism body have many kind, part many spots look like a pink and purple. Okay, and next he says that on each of which a pattern stand, composed of 40 separate bands. Okay, on each of which a pattern stand, it means her spotted looks like a pattern. Okay, it looks like a pattern, and all the patterns composed of a 40 separate band. You know very well about the band. A band means that used for the music. Okay, so you can see in the pictures, uh, here is the some of the spotted on his body, and that was the looks like a band. Okay, each of which a pattern stand and composed of a 40 separate band. Okay, it looks like a 40 separate means different. His eyebrow of a tender green, and you can see his eyes, just like that. Here is the eyes, here eyes, and there are a some pattern that make on his eyebrow. So his eye his eyebrow of his tender green. Okay, tender means you can say that it is tender means like a soft green. Okay, his eyebrow of a soft green, it means his eyebrow was very soft and looks like it a green. Okay, and all these have a never yet been seen, and you have to never seen such type of the eyebrow that looks like a green and soft. But scientists would ought to know, it means, but in our world, in our society, there are a lot of the scientists who wanted to see the microorganisms, and they never leave the hope, and they know very well about the microorganisms. Okay, and assure us that they must be so, and they tell us what is the shape of the microorganism, what is how many legs, how can they live in the body, etc., or the many knowledge given by the scientist. Okay, and so we have to know very well about the microorganism. In the previous time, many of the person did not know about any disease, any microorganism, but nowadays many of the person will know very well about the microorganism. Okay, assure us that they must be so. Oh, let us never doubt. Okay, so we have no any kind of the doubt about the microorganism, and we have never seen that we can see the microorganism, and what nobody is sure about, and it is very easy to say that how the microorganism look like. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the poem, and in this poem the poet says the structure of the or a shape of the microorganism, and you have to see in the pictures. You can see here is the uh, microorganism microbe, and his tongue is below or beneath down, and he it has a different kind of the tails. It means 7 tails, and every tails has a lot of the hair, and every hair connected to each others, and on the body of the microorganism have it, you can see there are a lot of the spotted, and this spotted looks like a band. And then the poetess mention about his eyebrow, and eyebrow you can see here it looks like stand here, and it has a eyebrow that was the different looks like, and it looks like a green tenders. Okay, his eyebrow is look like a tender green, it means soft green, and all these have never yet been seen, and you have never seen such type of the microbe in your life. So poet tell you the shape of the microbe. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the poem, and it is very funnyable poem. So I think you all enjoyed it, and so learn the poem and write about a short note. You can say that you have to write the central idea of the poem. That's clear. So thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next video.